Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to Boolean. So as example, we'll create the polygons objects and the second create the cylinder polygon. You can scale the cylinder, make it more small, and then I will increase in the green axis. So we have these two objects, and if you want to use Boolean, you can go to Mesh, click on the Boolean tools. There are a lot of options. You can union, difference, intersection, slash, and other. So as example, I will union. You can select these two objects, go to Mesh, click Booleans, and then click the union. So to be combined between these two objects. Another, we can use the difference. So you can go to Mesh, Booleans, and difference A, B. So it will be cut with this cylinder, the box objects, and another for the booleans B A, it will be cut the cylinder by the cube object. Okay, another for intersection, you can click mesh against booleans and use the intersection. So that's it for a basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to Boolean.